Honda's always here to help. Anytime you need it.
That's nasty.
Yeah, it's nasty. Hey, you got a pair.
God dang, this ain't got a pair. That's all I got. Woo. You got me stuck. You got me stuck, man.
Hey, you and everybody else behind you.
You better hook that up if you're gonna pull both of us out. Hey, Nate, hook that TigerTail up again. Hold on. There you go, hook that up. But we're gonna hook Chris up too. You're gonna pull two bikes out. What's up? Oh, it's not gonna make any difference. It's that thing. Let me get it tight. All right, can't get it tight. That thing got a little bit of power. A little bit. Thank you, sir. Man, I need to redo my TigerTail. That's so nice.
Oh, that it reels up?
Yeah. What happens? You good? What was that? What the hell was that? Can you go in high? Whoa, what the fuck? But your belt shredded, didn't it? Yeah.
That's coming from the front.
That's no belt though.
No, that's the seat. Somebody got to pull me back to my trailer.
God dang. I'm about to pull him back out. What the hell, man? We got one more? Oh, let me get him out real quick, brother. Something happened to Shorty's bike. It won't go anymore.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's making a nasty sound.
It's tight, dude. Hang on, because I'm going to get out of here.
Shorty. Because it was still driving when you pulled us out, right?
When I put it in reverse to back up to get the TigerTail some slack,
Right.
it kind of did it, and then it kicked in and I reversed, and then I put it in high to pull up.
Did it do this? Is it like the same thing that happened over there in North Carolina, or is it different?
No, that shit was way louder, but it was kind of sticking on the shift, so it might be something with the clutch.
respond to you. Oh, hold on.
Bill, let's figure it out.
I mean, everything gets worn out. Isn't your gear shifter supposed to shift gears without braking? I mean, shit happens. Oh, is that what it was? Pull that thing out, Mr. Beast. That's all. That's it. Not enough? God dang. Get out there, Nate. Make I miss it?
Well, it's so light of a bike.
What are you talking about?
That's the Honda got enough power, it just don't have enough weight.
Oh, what's up? Yeah, I'm just trying to get Miss Shorty.
You don't want to run into me.
Salud. Salud. Go ahead and hook it on to Shorty. You want it on the winch, or do you want it on the? You need more? God dang! Okay, let me straighten up. Let me straighten up. You say you think you can make it? Yes, sir. No brakes. Right, I'm gonna take you. I can only pull you in first gear anyway, so.
That's a good thing.
You got me in neutral? It won't.
No, it's the clutch.
Oh shit. You can feel it? Something binding up or what?
Feel something up. Probably broke another spring.
Another what?
Another secondary spring.
Damn. What'd you have in there before? What'd y'all replace it with? I thought y'all went up on something.
It was what they call their XMR package.
Oh, okay. I wonder why it broke. I wonder how it could let go though.
I think those bolts coming loose. Seemed like it did last time. I got that bolt, man.
Oh shit.
Huh? I'm gonna see if it might catch. Let me get it on the trail there.
No, don't even. Don't.
Put it high. Put it going high.
The same thing in high.
Same thing in high.
Yeah.
Damn.
Is it over here?
No. Something with the clutches.
That's it?
We'll push it. We'll get it. We got plenty of manpower here.
Gotta come a little closer.
All right. Hey, youngsters. Where all the youngsters at?
Hook that some bitch, Shorty.
Yeah. Now you don't need to push. Let the.
You hook it while we push it?
Yeah, no, just
I'll hook it. I'll hook it while y'all push it.
Hey, Chris.
I'll hook it while y'all push it.
come on, we'll push it up.
We need you to help us push.
We're just gonna push it and Parker's gonna hook it and then we'll.
If we can
Hook
get
it
it.
up to the other hook,
Yeah,
right?
come on. Oh, watch out, bud. Watch out.
Oh, well, it's hard enough.
Never mind. We got it.
Hold on.
Hang on. Let's not roll on the thing.
Let me know when.
I hooked it just in case.
We need it. Rotate it. Keep going.
Yeah. That's good. That's it.
Whew. I see some damn fools took my spot.
Huh? No, this is your stuff.